my name is Cynthia Sikina. I'm the Vice President of Financial Services at SimiTree. I'm here to talk to you about how to compare yourself to national revenue cycle management benchmarks. It's true, unless it can be measured, it can't be improved. Fortunately, there are key benchmarks that can be used to evaluate the performance of your revenue cycle. What is the ultimate goal? Revenue cycle excellence. What is revenue cycle excellence? It's the ability to bill and collect the correct amount for all services provided on a timely basis. What are the key revenue cycle performance indicators? Number 1, days in accounts receivable, which tells you how long on average it is taking to collect your receivable balances. Best practice benchmark, less than or equal to 35 days. Number 2, the percent of accounts receivable balance greater than 120 days old, which tells you what percent of your accounts receivable balances are at increased risk of not being paid. Benchmark, less than or equal 15%. Number 3, net collection rate, which tells you how much you are collecting out of what you are eligible to collect. Benchmark, greater than or equal to 97%. No more than 3% of your services should be written off to bad debt. Number 4, percent of claims denied upon first submission, which is an indication of how well your revenue cycle processes are performing. It's a tough benchmark to hit, but you should have no more than 4% of your claims denied upon first submission. Knowing the formulas for each of the benchmarks is the easy part. Gathering consistent, accurate, and timely data for the calculations to be able to monitor trends is the challenge. Assuming you have the data and calculate your metrics, the next challenge is determining the root cause or causes when performance is not meeting benchmark. Once you know why you are not meeting benchmark, you are in the best position to fix the problem at the source to prevent it from happening again. The root cause analysis can be daunting because almost everyone in the organization touches the revenue cycle at some point along the way. But with access to underlying data that's driving your metrics, you will be able to tell which program, which provider, which payer, which service, or which process is not performing as intended. Remember that everyone has to do their part to keep the revenue cycle wheel turning. So use data to hold people accountable for their role in ensuring the organization is billing and collecting the correct amount for all services provided on a timely basis, and you will find behavior will change, and so will the corresponding key performance indicators. If you need any help capturing the data you need to compute RCM performance indicators, contact SimiTree. We are happy to help. Thank you.